Hello, in this video I will use the mission editor. First tutorial how to make a space station. First, we create a mission title. Second, we go into the logic of the campaign. Third, we press in the upper left corner, then we press fleet. Fourth, we swallow create space station. We fill in the name of the station, the owner of the station, the location of the station. Let's try to place it on the planet Venus. How to get the station can be purchased. We click on Fleet, click on Set Fleet Purchasable. We determine the price and the name of the station. Now we save. Then we test.
No contacts. We're clear.
Attention approaching ship. You've been granted docking access. Please proceed.
Sensors show no enemy.
Abide the ground crew guide.
Okay, everything seems to be going perfectly. The next tutorial is how to add money to our inventory and add side missions so we can play to our heart's content. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for visiting.